How to use custom job statuses. Custom job statuses improve workflow tracking and provide clarity on job progress. When working on a job, you may want to update its status to reflect delays, such as requesting missing documents or when a client requires an extension. To change a job status, open the job card, click the current status, and select an existing custom status in the sidebar. Choose the status automations you want to trigger, then click Change Status. Linked elements created by automation will appear, and you can add or link existing ones. These linked entities are displayed in the Linked section of the job card and are marked with a clock icon, indicating their impact on changing the status to active. Job automations and manually linked entities are also visible in the Linked section, with a distinct AutoMove icon to avoid confusion. In the Pipeline Kanban view, jobs with custom statuses are color-coded for easy identification. To view all jobs with a specific status, such as missing docs, across your pipelines, go to the job list and filter jobs by status. Keep in mind that the status names must match exactly across pipelines for the filter to work. A custom job status can change to active either automatically or manually. Automatic changes occur when all linked action items are completed. For example, if a task is linked to the missing docs status, completing the task will automatically update the job status to active. Manual changes can be made by selecting active, even if linked items are incomplete. In such cases, you must decide how to handle the unfinished entities. You can also manually change the status to completed or archived. The main difference between them is that completed jobs are still visible in the Kanban view of your pipeline, while archived jobs are not.